Have you ever opened Facebook and noticed it suggesting collages or highlight reels from photos you've never even posted? It feels a little unsettling, right? That's because Meta has introduced something called camera roll sharing suggestions, powered by their AI. And if you're on Android, there's a chance it's already scanning your photos, even the private ones sitting quietly in your gallery. Now, Meta claims this feature is optional, but plenty of people have found it switched on without remembering ever agreeing to it. That's where the confusion starts. Nobody wants to hand over access to personal photos without knowing it. So let's walk through exactly how to check your settings and turn this off. First, open the Facebook app on your Android phone. Make sure you're logged in, then tap the three horizontal lines up in the top right corner of the screen. That's the menu button. Once the list opens, scroll down until you see something called Settings and Privacy. Tap it once, then choose Settings. This is where all the behind-the-scenes controls for your account live. Now comes the part most people miss. Scroll down in the Settings menu until you find an option labeled Camera Roll Sharing Suggestions. Go ahead and tap it. Inside, you'll see two toggle switches. If either of them is lit up in blue, it means the feature is currently active. That means Facebook has been scanning through your private photos and videos to create suggestions, even if you never shared them publicly. To stop this, simply tap both toggles once. When they turn gray, the feature is completely off. That's all it takes to cut off Facebook's AI from your gallery. But let's pause for a second and talk about why this is even happening. Meta isn't interested in your photos just for fun. Every snapshot on your phone contains valuable information. Locations, faces, objects, even text if you photographed a document. Beyond analyzing all that, Facebook's AI gets smarter, builds a clearer picture of your life, and keeps you more engaged with the app. The more it knows, the easier it is to predict what kind of posts, ads, or suggestions will grab your attention. The problem is, this kind of access goes far beyond what most people expect. Uploading a vacation picture is one thing, but having an algorithm comb through your private roll of screenshots, family photos, and personal notes is something else entirely. That's why so many users feel uneasy when they discover this feature running in the background. This is also a reminder about how Android permissions work. When you install an app, it asks for access to certain parts of your phone, like storage or the camera. Over time, updates can add new features that use those permissions in ways you might not realize. Facebook doesn't need to pop up a new prompt if you already granted storage access once. That's how features like camera roll suggestions can slip through unnoticed. The best habit you can build is to check your privacy settings regularly. Don't just stop with Facebook. Look at other apps too. Tech companies are always rolling out new tools and experiments, and not all of them respect the boundaries you might expect. Now you know exactly where to find the setting that stops Facebook from analyzing your gallery. Just a few taps, and your photos stay in your control. Next time you scroll through your camera roll, you'll know those private moments are staying private, and that's the way it should be.